Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Turkiye announced it had successfully tested a new domestically developed drone optical technology. The latest advancement in the critical system that had been for years imported from abroad. The Aselflar 500 electro-optical reconnaissance surveillance and targeting system, developed by Aselsan, was tested by the Bayraktar Akinci unmanned combat aerial vehicle which struck a moving target at sea. According to a video shared by the drone developer Baykar, the electro-optical system is a more advanced tech compared to the common aperture targeting system, which Aselsan had developed after Canada suspended sales of its optical equipment to Turkiye in 2020. The freeze on sales prompted Turkiye to capitalize on the opportunity to enhance its indigenous defense capabilities.